Wait a second. That explosion you just saw? It's not a bomb, it's a capacitor. This tiny part lives inside most of your electronics. But why did it blow up? And what does it actually do? Let's crack one open and find out its secrets. A capacitor is like an energy tank. It stores electrical energy and releases it when needed. Super fast. From smoothing voltage to filtering noise, capacitors keep our circuits alive and stable. Here's a healthy capacitor we've opened up. Look at this! Inside are thin layers of metal foil and special insulating material, rolled up like paper. This is where the electric charge hides, ready to jump into action whenever your circuit needs it. But not all capacitors stay healthy. This one's damaged. See the discoloration, the bulging? That happens when a capacitor faces too much heat, voltage, or just old age. Result: leaks, explosions, or even damage to the whole circuit. Now you know what a capacitor is, what's inside it, and how it fails. This tiny part hides a whole world of energy. Next time you see one, think of it as a super fast mini battery. Want to see more about different capacitor types or how to test them? Drop a comment, we'll explore it in the next video.